Hello children, good morning. Hope all are safe at home. Welcome to our English class. In our classroom, so many students are there, isn't it? Some are good at studies, some are not good at studies. They are good at another activity that is hidden in them. Some are good at sports and some are good at painting, arts, dance, music. Like this, everyone is special in their own ways, right? But don't judge anyone from his or her appearances. So don't judge anyone from their appearances. If they are not looking good, also they are having a special talents. So everyone is special. So children, now I am going to tell you this kind of story, that is, everyone is special. So today our lesson name is Everyone is Special. Let's start our story. In the beautiful garden of Sansui, all the flowers were in full bloom. There were flowers of all colors in the garden. Pretty pink, gorgeous green, beautiful blue, wonderful white, and many more. However, the trees of the garden were appreciating the beauty of the red rose. Look how lovely the rose looks among all the other flowers. So, in this story, there is a beautiful garden. The garden name is Sansui. That beautiful garden, all the flowers were in full bloom. That garden, so many flowers are there, that all the flowers were in full bloom. So all the flowers are very attractive and very beautiful. So there are so many different colors of flowers are there in the garden. Some of the colors are pretty pink, gorgeous green, beautiful blue, wonderful white, and many more colors of flowers are there in the garden. However, the trees of the garden were appreciating the beauty of the red rose. Obviously, the rose is a very beautiful flower, so the trees in the garden were appreciating the beauty of the red rose like this. Look how lovely the rose looks among all the other flowers. So they are discussing about the beauty of the red rose. All the trees in the garden. Look how lovely the rose looks among all the other flowers. So in that garden, so many flowers are there among all the other flowers. See how lovely the rose looks. I wish I were also as beautiful, said the apple tree. So then the apple tree said like this, I wish I were also as beautiful. Apple tree said like this. Then the wise old banyan tree replied. The banyan tree is a wise and old. Dear apple tree, don't say so. Don't say so. All trees and flowers have been made with a purpose. All of us are beautiful in one way or the other. Then the wise old banyan tree replied to the apple tree. I were also as beautiful, said apple tree. Then the wise banyan tree replied, Dear apple tree, don't say so. Don't say like that. All trees and flowers have been made with a purpose. All of us are beautiful in one way or the other. Everyone is beautiful in this world. Isn't it, children? Is it right, children? Yes, everyone is special and everyone is beautiful in this world. Okay? In their own ways. The red rose heard their conversation and retorted and replied. So the red rose heard their conversation. The banyan tree, apple tree, so all the trees in that garden, their conversation, the red rose heard and retorted means replied. Of course, I am the most beautiful flower in this garden. How can you say everyone else is also beautiful? Then the red rose asked the Banyan tree, I am the most beautiful flower in this garden. Yes, of course, I am the most beautiful flower in this garden. How can you say everyone else is also beautiful? How can you say this banyan tree? Everyone else is also beautiful. Look at that ugly cactus. Do you know the cactus plant, children? Yes, this is the cactus plant. So, look at that ugly cactus plant. Ugly means not beautiful, looking dirty. Okay, the opposite word of ugly is beautiful. Look at that ugly cactus plant standing in the corner. So, this is a cactus plant standing in the corner. So, that rose is criticize the cactus plant, criticize appearance of cactus plant. So rose is criticizing the rose is talking about cactus and criticize the appearance of cactus. A modest daisy raised its head and said to the rose, "You should not say so." Then a daisy. Do you know daisy flower? Yes. Daisy raised its head and said to the rose, like this, "You should not say so. You should not talk like this. In this garden, there are many beautiful flowers. In this garden, so many beautiful flowers are there. You are only one of them. You are the only one of them. There are so many beautiful flowers are there. You are only one of them." The red rose felt humiliated. Then the red rose felt ashamed. It looked at the cactus and said, Then the red rose looked at the cactus and said, "Look at that plant. It is ugly and full of thorns." Then red rose said like this, "Look at that plant. It is ugly and full of thorns." Which plant is ugly and full of thorns? Cactus plants. Rose is talking about the cactus. Every day the red rose is talking about the cactus and the appearance of cactus and unkind words towards the cactus. The banyan tree said, "Don't be so vain." Vain means proud. The banyan tree replied to the rose, "Don't be proud, red rose. Who can say what beauty is? Who can say? Who exactly know what beauty is?" Then the banyan tree asked the red rose, "Who can say what beauty is?" "You also have thorns." Yes, you also have thorns. Thorns mean sharp pointed woody structures present in the stem. So if you touch the stem of the rose, you feel like that pinching. Yes, those structures are known as thorns. Do you know cactus? On the cactus body, spine like structures are there. So those are called thorns. Okay. You also have thorns. So the banyan tree asked the rose, "You also having thorns?" The red rose got angry at the banyan tree and said,